Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be practicing some exercising on conversion factors for mass, distance, time, and temperature. Let's begin with some mass exercises. And say we want to turn grams to kilograms. We know that there is 1,000 grams for each kilogram. So if we have 350 grams and we want to convert that to kilograms, we have 1,000 grams that equals 1 kilogram. And let's turn kilograms to grams. If we have 150 kilograms, convert it to grams, 1 kilogram, that equals 1,000 grams. And this time we're going to be multiplying it. That's going to be equal to 150,000 grams. Now let's use milligrams. We have 12 grams. We're going to multiply it. And that means we're going to have 12,000 milligrams. All right, now let's do some quick exercises using scientific notation. And let's begin by converting grams to kilograms. As we know, for each kilogram, there is 1 times 10 to the power of 3 grams. So if we have 600 grams to kilograms, we are going to divide it. For each kilogram, there's 1 times 10 to the power of 3 grams. That is going to be equal to 0.6 kilograms, or 6 times 10 to the power of -1. Let's do it the other way around, turning kilograms to grams. Beginning with 600 kilograms. For each kilogram, there's 1 times 10 to the power of 3 grams. And that is going to equal to 600,000 grams, or 6 times 10 to the power of +5. Let's do another one. We're going to convert kilograms to micrograms. But first we turn kilograms to grams and then grams to micrograms. Starting with 800 kilograms, multiply it. 1 times 10 to the power of 3 grams. And then we're going to convert grams to micrograms. And for each microgram, there is 1 times 10 to the power of -6 grams. And this is going to be equal to 8 times 10 to the power of 11. Let's continue with distance conversion exercises. Beginning with miles to kilometers, we find that for each mile, there is 1.60,934 kilometers. If we begin with 72 miles by 1.60,934 kilometers, knowing that equals 1 mile. Once we multiply that, we get 115.872 kilometers. Now let's convert meters to kilometers. For each kilometer, there is 1 times 10 to the power of 3 meters. Beginning with 72 meters, we divide that by 1 times 10 to the power of 3 meters, which equals 1 kilometer, and that's going to give us 0.072 meters. Lastly, let's convert kilometers to millimeters. If we begin with 88 kilometers, knowing that for each kilometer there is 1 times 10 to the power of 3 meters, and that for each millimeter there is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 meters, that would give us 8.8 times 10 to the power of 7 millimeters. Now let's try some time conversion exercises. And let's go from hours to minutes. If we begin with 4 hours, we have that for every hour there is 60 minutes. So that would be equal to 240 minutes. And let's go from hours to milliseconds, knowing that in every hour there is 3,600 seconds, and that in every millisecond there is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 seconds. If we begin with 4 hours, we can convert that to seconds. For each hour there is 3,600 seconds, and then we can convert that into milliseconds, knowing that for each milliseconds there is 1 times 10 to the power negative 3 seconds, and that equals 14 million milliseconds. Continuing with temperature conversion exercises, here are a few useful formulas. And let's begin by converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. If we begin with 92 degrees, according to the formula, what we have to do is multiply it by 1.8, Then you add 32, and that will be equal to 197.6 Fahrenheit. If we change Fahrenheit to Celsius, and we begin with 92 degrees, 32, and the result we multiply by 1.8, and this will be equal to 108 degrees Celsius. Let's convert Celsius degrees to Kelvin. 92 degrees Celsius. All we have to do is add 273.15, and that's going to give us 365.15 kelvins.